you want to use the Hive Fabric console to change network settings. Network changes should be accomplished during a maintenance window, as restarting the networking service may impact network connectivity. Here, we will show you how to reconfigure the production or storage network configurations. Log into the console of the Hive Fabric host. Select Networking, then configure Production Network. Next, select the interface for the production network, ensuring that the connected status is yes. Use the Enable DHCP to change the IP addressing method. To allow for a VLAN tag, select Enable VLAN, enter the desired IP address, subnet mask in dotted decimal format, gateway, then VLAN, if enabled, DNS server, separating multiple entries by a space, then the DNS search path, typically the same as the fully qualified domain name, or FQDN. Select OK and wait to be returned to the submenu to restart networking. Select Restart Networking and confirm your selection, then Submit. To reconfigure the storage network, select Networking, then configure Storage Networking. Enable or disable the storage network as necessary. Select the correct interface, ensuring that the connected status shows yes. Enter the IP address, subnet mask in dotted decimal format, then a VLAN ID if required. If not required, leave the default value at 0. Select OK and wait to be returned to the Restart Networking submenu. Select Restart Networking, confirm your selection and submit. Once complete with the network changes, use the Escape key to close the submenus. Select Management, then log out. Confirm your selection and submit.